Hey everyone, Kyle with Prolux here, and today I want to talk about one of the most included vacuum attachments out there in the world. Every vacuum comes with one. You probably have one, but do you know what it's used for and how to use it? Today I'm going to be discussing that, and today we're going to be talking about the duster brush. So here we have a duster brush. What is a duster brush? Well, a duster brush is a small round brush with bristles, and the name of the duster brush kind of gives you an idea of what it's mainly used for, and that is to dust. But did you know there's a bunch of other type of duster brushes out there? Here's a few different type of variety of duster brushes that we include with our vacuums here at Prolux. So these two duster brushes are going to be the very traditional type of duster brush. They're round tools with bristles at the end. Sometimes they are horsehair, or sometimes they're going to be a nylon type of bristle. Sometimes you'll get a type of upholstery tool that have bristles on them as well. These can also be used for different types of dusting. Then lastly, here is going to be a smaller type of duster brush. This one has a neck that can swivel, and as you can tell, the bristle length on this is going to be much shorter of that compared to a traditional duster brush. All right, so how does a duster brush clean? Well, like we went over, a lot of duster brushes are going to have bristles. This one, for example, has horsehair bristles. So as you go over a surface, these bristles are going to pick up and capture dust, dirt, and possibly some debris, and then the vacuum suction is going to suck it off the bristles, and it's going to go inside the dirt bin or a HEPA bag or whatever type of vacuum you have. A lot of duster brushes are going to be scratch resistant. But again, we have a couple of different variety of duster brushes up here, including some upholstery tools. Like this one, for example, the bristles are grouped closely together and they are made out of nylon. So these are going to be a little stiffer compared to that of a horsehair bristle. I would always test a small surface and make sure you don't scratch it, because that would suck if you went over a nightstand or a coffee table and you left tiny scratches in the surface. But most duster brushes are going to be scratch resistant, and that is going to be very beneficial for delicate cleaning. Traditionally, you're going to use a duster brush for dusting, like I just said. You can also use it on air vents. Like in a bathroom, you turn the air vent on. A lot of times those are going to be dirty, and this is where the duster brush is going to come in handy. You can also use it for windows. You can use it for curtains. You can use it for upholstery. You can use it for drapes. Depending on what surface you're cleaning, make sure you kind of adjust that suction a little to the lower side so you don't suck in whatever you're cleaning. I personally, if you've seen any of our demo videos of these products that we sell here at Prolux, I use a duster brush for a wider variety of cleaning. I use it for the hand railings on my stairs. I use it on my car. You can clean a dash with it. You can clean air vents with it in your car, shifter knob, all the little tiny trim pieces everywhere. I usually use this, go over that surface before I go and actually clean it with the solution. The nice thing about the duster brush is you can easily maintain them. You want to make sure when you use the duster brush, the bristles are clean so it does its job correctly. And a quick and easy way to wash this is just put it under some warm water with your favorite detergent. Get your fingers inside the bristles, make sure you wash everything, rinse all the detergent off, then go ahead and set it out to dry completely before you reinstalling it. A duster brush and any other type of tool, it's just like a HEPA filter in your vacuum. You want to make sure you do proper maintenance to prolong the vacuum's performance and the tool's life. Nice thing about these is you can get them in any size. Here's a commercial duster brush. Again, this one has slightly longer bristles, and these are going to be horsehair, but for commercial cleaning, you're going to be cleaning some tougher surfaces. You can get long ones, you can get short ones, you can get some with different type of material for the bristles. A lot of the time, you're either going to see horsehair or nylon. Those are going to be the most traditional type of duster brush. So do you guys use a duster brush in your routine cleaning? If so, let us know in the comments down below. Let us know if you use it and what you use it for. I personally love the duster brush. It helps us eliminating finer particles in life. If you guys have any suggestions on other videos, let us know. You can send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com, or you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. I'm happy to talk about other tools and attachments. I'm happy to go in more depth on some of our products. I'm happy to do a specific video. I'm sure you guys have seen the videos out there of me sucking food up, so if you want to see me try something else, let me know. I'm Kyle Prolux, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.